Hi, this is Mega Geek and I'm Dan, and this week I'm going to try and make a replacement for this kind of rather rubbishy case. I've had this pair of folding sunglasses for many years, and they're very helpful to just have in jacket pocket, mostly for days where I'm not necessarily expecting it to be sunny. And it came with this case, which is now kind of a little bit falling to pieces. It's just kind of very plasticky, and it's never been very good. So today I'm going to try and make one out of metal. I've been playing a little bit with cardboard to mock up what I think the plan is, and I've etched some lines on this sheet of steel. So I'm going to try it first in mild steel. I kind of have an idea that I may cover it in leather or something else, so it doesn't matter about the finish of it. But I may do it again in stainless steel, depending on how easily it goes together, and do more of a raw kind of stainless look. Well, let's take it to the saw and get started. The theory is, I guess that's a little tight on that actually, that this will be basically hinged along the back here and just cover over.
Out in stormy weather, I might have the blues, but nothing ever stopped me from dusting off my shoes. You might think you'll see me falling to the ground, but I threw up my umbrella when rain stops hitting town. Yeah! On a bad day, on a good day, I don't need no sunshine, 'cause I'm dancing with the rain. You will see me running, thinking I might be insane. I don't need no sunshine, you being who I am. No one ever stopped me, not even Uncle Sam. Life might be a struggle, life might be a fight, but I am here to show the world that I can make it right. On a bad day, on a good day, on a bad day, rain keeps raining.
So, I didn't really need to weld all of the seams or anything like that for the structure of this, but it's good practice welding thin steel. I've just taken a piece of tape to connect the hinge for the top. That will be leather, but that is the basic structure. Fits the glasses. So, stage 1 complete, pretty easy, pretty quick. Now to try and see how much room I've got to line it and wrap it and see what it looks like.
Yeah, it's a hot day. I'm hanging in the sunshine. You should hit me with the splash gun so I cool down. Won't you come on over? We can party till the sun's down. Baby, let me buy you a drink while we're dancing a blink. I could go for some Queen Bee too. Bass is going boom boom. Baby, if you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over. We can take the roller coaster. And you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide. Water slide. Surfing on a wave of good feelings. Well, it's just another Friday in paradise. So bring your A game, cause you know this party won't stop. We could never run out of time, sipping strawberry lime. You know I wanna share it with you. Bass is going boom boom. Baby, if you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over. We can take the roller coaster. And you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide. Water slide. It's getting kinda crazy up in here. Got that DJ playing music everybody wants to hear, yeah. It's getting kinda crazy up in here. Everybody wants a ride in the water slide. 3, 4. Baby, if you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over. We can take the roller coaster. And you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide. Water slide. Water slide.
Actually, the glue sticks pretty well. So, yeah, the theory now is stitch a line around the edges. Well, there you go. My kind of first serious attempt, I think, at leatherwork. I did have a go at a wallet a while ago, but I quite like this folding a steel structure and wrapping it. Not super happy with what I did in the lid here. That was a bit of a lack of planning. I wasn't exactly sure how it was going to go. So, decidedly a v.1. So this will now live in my jacket pocket, so it doesn't really matter that the lid doesn't close that well because it'll just be held shut by virtue of being in a pocket. And the main thing is that it protects the glasses within, which is a pretty nice snug fit in fact.